Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Philips Essential Airfryer Extra Large baby with 2.65 pound capacity. This is 6.2 liter, a really good capacity. And it's more. It's digital baby. It's a digital air fryer with a rapid air technology. Easy to clean basket because you can clean it like you clean it under a dishwater, for example, or you can clean it inside your dishwasher machine. That's really cool. And this device here is the extra large version, and it comes in a black finish. We bring home the air fryer so we can have 100% of taste satisfaction with crispy on the outside and tender on the inside results. Using a little to no added oil with up to 90% less fat. This is, I think, the best thing on this device. 90% less fat. That means if you're going to make French fries in it, you does not need any kind of oil. That's really cool. It's crafted by a team full of experts who have been perfecting the air fryer technology for over 10 years. And its unique and patented starfish design creates the fastest and most even results by allowing all food to be exposed to a constant circulation need, allowing us to cook a variety of food to a delicious crispy results. And the air fryer can do more than just fry. It also grills, roasts, bakes, and even reheats. The digital touchscreen comes with 7 presets to make it as easy to decide which temperature is best to cook our food. And a keep warm function makes sure that our food is ready when we are. We can cook up to 5 portions of food with 6.2 liter capacity for the whole family at once, and unleash the full potential of our Philips air fryer here to cook meals that are tastier and healthier is easier than ever. Remove the basket easily out of the device. Then get your food ready into it. Don't go over the maximum line, of course, and then push it back in position. Switch on the pinions, and then you can choose a preset thing if you like, or you make your own by giving a temperature and a time setting, and then push the power button again, and it starts with the nicest workout in your kitchen again. We can, after we're done, we can make a good meal, of course, or a good lunch. And after this, if it is maybe a little bit dirty, you can remove every part of this air fryer and can wash it in the dishwasher easily. Not the main appliances, of course, but all baskets and all the stuff. It's easy. We can all removable parts of dishwasher safe. And the air fryer has a quick clean basket. This has a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. So you can see, fry with 90% less fat. Because we're using the rapid air technology. Little or no oil is required. Crispy perfection with 90% less fat. And endless possibilities. With the world's #1 air fryer on the market, it will make better food for you in your own kitchen. And there are more. Rapid technology, crisp on the outside, juicy on the inside. That's possible with the rapid air starfish design. And here it comes, the XL version. This means family side. We can cook up to 4 dinner portions or 6 appetizer portions of food at once. Then we have a touch screen with 7 presets programs. Touch a button and it cooks. And recipe recommendations. The Nutri app, we can download the NutriU app easily. This sends us daily recipes ideal based on our preferences, if we like. And of course, there's more. Endless possibilities. Fry, bake, grill, roast, and even reheat. Everything with the Philips air fryer. And on top, easy cleaning. All removable parts are dishwasher safe. Really cool. I think it's one of the best air fryer out there. This is the new Philips Essential Airfryer XL. This opens up a world of possibilities, allowing us to cook our food to perfection every time, no matter what we choose to make. Crafted by a nice team of experts who have been a good eldering of 10 years. It's unique on the market with the starfish design. And it comes with 7 presets to make it easy to decide which temperature is the best to cook our food. And the keyboard function makes everything possible. The air fryer can do more than only just frying. It also grills, roasts, bakes, and even reheats. The dish part is the XL size. Counter space is minimized, while they're still allowing the ability to cook up to 5 portions. And quick clean basket is really awesome. This brings us and our kitchen to a new level with the Philips Essential Airfryer Extra Large version. You can see it's bigger than the prehistoric model of it. Ha 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 ha. This is the digital Philips Essential Airfryer XL version. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.